folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm smoking up some Iberico pork ribs. So I've got these beautiful Iberico pork ribs from Tom Hixsons of Smithfield, and I'm really looking forward to cooking these. They've got beautiful fat marbling through. They look amazing. I'm very excited about cooking these. First time cooking Iberico ribs for me. So I've got lots of ribs, but these are new on me. So looking forward to trying these out. There, nice rack of spares, and beautiful fat going through these, so I know these are good. I'm going to trim them down just a little bit in places. I don't want them too trimmed. These are good eating ribs. I'm going to pop the membrane off. This is always the trickiest bit, but hopefully it comes off. There we go, that's a bit more. Cool, any bits off there, just trim off. A nice rack of spare ribs here. So, a little bit of the good stuff, CountryWoodSmoke house rub, just over the top. Not too thick, just a nice, we want to taste this lovely meat. And on the reverse side, there we go, job's a good one. Let's get these on the smoker. So I've got the Quinta Kamado here set up for low and slow. It's a ceramic grill, it's going to be ideal. I've got a little bit of hickory in there and some good logwood charcoal. Set this up for about 120 degrees C, and yeah, let's get these ribs on. And these will take probably about 5 hours, I reckon. These ribs look amazing. They've been going for about 4 hours at sort of 110, 120-ish. The Quinta Kamado's done a great job. I've finished them off with some of this lovely Sauce Shop original barbecue sauce. So Iberico pork ribs from Tom Hixson, and yeah, they look amazing. Nice fat in them. Let's see how I've done. So turn them over so I know where the bones are. Oh yeah, they look nicely cooked. Nice and fall away. I'm going to go in and have a little taste. Oh, they're sensational ribs. Lovely fat, lots of flavour in them as well. A lot of pork you get hasn't got much depth of flavour, but Iberico ribs have got real depth of flavour. Nice and soft and juicy. These are a banging pork rib. I'm really happy with them. I'm going to get stuck into the rest of these and enjoy them. And if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, remember that box over there, just hit it, subscribe, let me know you like what I'm doing, it's appreciated. Thank you.